gentlemen, and welcome to the first installation of Cryptography with Paul. Today we're talking about password managers and password reuse. In this lab, we investigated the use of Vault, which is a Python-based password manager, and I'll show you a little intro on how to use it. So when you run it, you see this little welcome message, and it asks you to enter in your master key. This master key is what encrypts all the rest of your passwords. So make sure you have a good master key. Once you type in your master key, you get this menu, and you can see all the different passwords that you have possibly before, and it gives you a little bit of information about where you're using that password, and you can access different passwords, you can add new passwords, and things like that. We in this lab took it a step further, and if you try to add a password to, maybe it's your google.com account, and you use a password that you previously used, it asks, hey, it looks like you've used this password before. You should enter a unique password for better security. And this is because when you reuse a password from another site, if that site becomes compromised, then your password for the other site that you use the same password is compromised as well. So it's a best practice to use different websites. What different websites should have different passwords. And that concludes this episode of Cryptography with Paul.